Hey everyone, and welcome to Homeidea channel. Today, we're taking a virtual journey to the heart of Bangkok to explore a truly inspiring home renovation project. This isn't just a story about a house. It's a tale of family, resilience, and the power of transformation. Nestled in the bustling city of Bangkok, this house holds a special place in the owner's heart. It's a place filled with memories of his father, who tragically passed away. Determined to honor his father's legacy, the owner embarked on a journey to revive the old house and breathe new life into it. The renovation process was a delicate balance of preserving the old and incorporating the new. The architect discovered that the original reinforced concrete structure was remarkably sturdy, despite the house's age. This unexpected find became the foundation for the new design. The heart of the renovated house is a spacious living area that seamlessly blends indoor and outdoor living. The former office space has been transformed into a stunning swimming pool, surrounded by a wooden deck. This central hub is the perfect place for relaxation and entertaining. The house features a contemporary design aesthetic, with clean lines and a focus on natural light. The use of large windows and sliding glass doors creates a sense of openness and connection with the outdoors. The interior spaces are thoughtfully designed to maximize comfort and functionality. The renovation process was not just about creating a beautiful home, it was also about honoring the past. The owner's mother, who witnessed the house's transformation, found solace in the familiar spaces and cherished memories. The house has become a place where the family can come together and celebrate life. The renovation project also focused on sustainability. By repurposing existing materials and incorporating energy-efficient features, the house has a reduced environmental impact. The design prioritizes natural ventilation and lighting, creating a comfortable and healthy living environment. This remarkable home renovation is a testament to the power of human resilience and the ability to transform spaces. It's a place where the past and present coexist in harmony, creating a truly special living environment. This renovation project is a heartwarming story of transformation and renewal. It's a reminder that even in the face of adversity, it's possible to create something beautiful and meaningful. What do you think of this inspiring home renovation? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more inspiring stories.